Hello. This is Matthew from Collegica. I am going to show you how to publish your Python package so that others can install and use it. There are multiple ways to publish a Python package. We will be using Poetry as it has other features that make developing a Python package easier. With Poetry, you can organize and update the dependencies of your project. You can also create isolated virtual environments for running and testing the code. Poetry helps you package and publish your project as well. Let's install Poetry with pipx. It is similar to pip but focused on Python packages with command line interfaces. Now, let's create an example project called Simple Calculator. The command is poetry, new, and then the name of the project. This will create a template for your project. The file, pyproject.toml, contains the metadata of the project such as the name, version, description, and the Python version. You need to put the source code of the project in the folder with the same name as the project. The tests folder contains the tests written with PyTest. Note that for dependencies, we do not use requirements.txt. To add a new dependency, type poetry add, and then the name of the dependency. This will add the name of the dependency to the project metadata. To install the dependencies of the project in an isolated virtual environment, you need to run poetry install. You can run your project with poetry run. You can run a specific script with poetry run, and then the name of the script. You can also run the tests with poetry run PyTest. Before publishing your project, you need to build it as a file with a WIL format. Once you have built the project, you can publish it with Poetry Publish. Before publishing a package on PyPy, you need to make an account and get a token. It is better to publish on test PyPy during the development. The process is similar to that of PyPy. You need to create an account and get a token. Once you have the token, you can use these poetry config commands to configure the test PyPy repository. When you publish to test PyPy, you need to specify the name of the repository. We are almost there. Before publishing, you might want to update the version of your package with a poetry version command. There are multiple options for increasing the version of your package such as patch, minor or major. You are now ready to publish your project as a Python package on PyPy. Just for the first time, you need to store your PyPy token with a poetry config command. Now, you just need to run Poetry Publish. Congratulations!